pixels.cool.
Welcome to you. This explainer is one of our immersive technology standalone explainers. We're going to install the Insta360 Studio app, which can be downloaded here, and create a short animated video using 360-degree footage from a trip to the coast. The edited video will then be exported as a standard HD flat video and can also be saved in a 360-degree format. I'll start by downloading Insta360 Studio. I'll be downloading it for Windows. Note you'll need to enter your Insta360 camera number to download this software. If you don't have an Insta360 camera, you can work with other programs, including Premiere Pro and Vegas Pro. For help, see the websites. I've installed the software. Here's the main interface. This may change over time, but the main functionality will be similar, so you shouldn't have an issue following along. I'll start by dragging and dropping my 360-degree coastal footage to where it says Import Insta360 files. If you'd like to use this actual video clip, you're welcome to download it from the website. Press the play button to play it, and take a look around the scene. You can also press the spacebar to play and pause the clip. The video looks a bit lifeless. I'll click at the top right of the window for the image processing options. I'll switch on Colour Plus to get a more vibrant image. I'll also switch on noise reduction to reduce the wind noise. I'll likely add a separate soundtrack later, so I'm not too worried about this. In case the start of a clip is wobbly or you need to trim off a few seconds as you're running to get out of the shot, drag the start point a few seconds to the right. I'll be exporting this video as a regular HD video file. I think this angle, including the lighthouse, is a nice view to start with. Click Mark as Keyframe. I can now rotate my spherical footage in the X, Y, and Z axes to get the perfect starting angle. I can also change the field of view and distortion as needed. The higher the resolution of your clip, the further you can zoom in before it becomes pixelated. You can reset to the default values by clicking here. And Tiny Planet view is definitely fun. You can also remove the curved look of the 360-degree lens by clicking the Natural button here. This is great for creating normal videos from your 360 footage. Next, I want the video to slowly pan around to a nice view out to sea. I'll click it around the 20-second mark, and again click Mark as Keyframe. Again, I'll position the image where I'd like it to be at 20 seconds into the video. Let's play it back. As you can see, the image rotates slowly between the first keyframe and the second keyframe. We'll keep staring out to sea for around 20 seconds. To do this, I'll add another keyframe at around the 40-second mark. A new keyframe will retain the properties of the previous one, so this leaves us with a nice steady shot for this section. Let's do something more fun for the remainder of the 1-minute clip. I'll create another new keyframe around the 60-second mark and click on Tiny Planet. Let's play that back. That's working okay, but it's a bit dull. I think a bit of rotation will help. And I'll put the lighthouse at the top of the world. That's more interesting. Okay, now let's have a look at the export options. Start by clicking the yellow export button at the bottom right. We can export a flat video as we're going to here, or export it as an updated 360 video file. Of course, give the new video a sensible name. I can change the bit rate. That's how detailed the exported file will be. I'm going to export it as Full HD, 1920 across by 1080 in height. Leave the encoding format as H.264. Only change this if you're familiar with the other codecs shown. Let's export the video. Export progress is shown here, rather small, at the bottom left of the window. For a short video like this, you shouldn't be waiting too long. That's complete. I'll go to Export History and open the file. This video can be used as is or imported into regular video editing software like Premiere Pro, Resolve or Vegas Pro to add a soundtrack, fades, titles, etc. There's a lot more you can do with Insta360 Studio, including smoothing the animation between your keyframes, changing the playback speed and adding motion blur. Some additional options are also made available when you import the original video files direct from an Insta360 camera. For help links, see the website. That's it for now. This is just one of our Immersive Media explainers. Don't forget to check out the others.
Pixels.cool